myself Preeti and welcome back to the channel First Track Job. In today's life, everyone faces issues in making resume, especially the beginners. The first issue is how to make a professional resume. And the second issue is how to update the resume again and again. And the third issue is waste of money up to 30 rupees in cyber to make a resume. Issue, I have a solution for you. Like download an app called as Digital Resume Keep in Pocket in the Play Store. App does not save your time as well as it saves your money too. A great news, this app is totally free of cost up to your lifetime. So grab this opportunity and use this app as much as you can. And great news, this app is totally free of cost. If you like this video, share a thumbs up with us, and if you have any queries and compliments to us, so please write it down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel First Track Job. Guys, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram too. So guys, bye, see you in the next video.